Hey, hi Brijesh. I'm planning to buy a new laptop and can you help me understand this processor name Intel Core Ultra 7 155H? What does this mean? Earlier it used to be different, right? Yes, Intel is naming their new processors a bit differently now. Let me help you out. So the older Intel i3, i5, i7, i9, these processors are gone now. Intel now has two different lineup of processors, Intel Core and Intel Core Ultra. The Intel Core lineup includes Core 3, Core 5 and Core 7 processors, and Intel Core Ultra lineup has Core Ultra 5, Core Ultra 7 and Core Ultra 9 processors. If you notice, there is no I in the name of the processors now. They are now just called Core 3, Core 5, Core Ultra 5, Core Ultra 7. But the meaning more or less still remains the same. The Core Ultra 9 processor is still powerful than Core Ultra 7 and Core 5 processor is still powerful than Core 3. So higher number equals higher performance is still true. Also, if you are wondering which processor should you pick between Intel Core and Intel Core Ultra, then Intel Core Ultra processors have dedicated NPU cores for AI and machine learning tasks, and they also have more powerful Intel Arc integrated graphics. So between Intel Core 5 and Core Ultra 5 or Core 7 or Core Ultra 7, the Core Ultra processors will be a better choice. Now let's talk about what does those numbers and alphabets in the processor name mean. So the new Intel processor name looks something like this. And up until now, I have explained what this part means, where Intel is the brand name, Core Ultra or Core is the sub-brand name or processor lineup name, and 7, 9, 3 or 5 denotes the performance tier of the processor. Now let's understand the meaning of this remaining part. So this whole part is called SKU, or in simpler terms, model number. This first number denotes the series of the processor. So series is what used to be generations before. Intel is no more calling the new processors as 14th generation or 15th generation. Instead, they are calling it as Series 1 and Series 2. The Series 1 processors launched last year in 2024 and Series 2 processors launched this year in 2025. So this is a Series 1 processor from last year because it has 1 as the first number here. I will talk about what these two numbers in the middle mean in a bit. First, let's talk about what does this alphabet at the end of the processor name mean. So the alphabet at the end denotes the nature of the processor. So if a processor has U at the end of its name, then it is more battery life focused processor than performance. And if the processor has H or HX at the end of its name, then it is more performance oriented processor. Now there are also other alphabets, but U, H and HX is what you will mostly find in laptops in 2025. Now there can also be two very similar looking processors. Like these two are both Core Ultra 7 processors, both are the latest 2025 Series 2 processors, and they both have U at the end of their name. In such a case, you have to check the two numbers in the middle. The one that has a higher number is the better among them. So this is how you can understand and compare the new Intel processors. If you never want to buy a wrong laptop in your life, follow and subscribe to Hotshot Laptop.